Hi children, good morning. Take your course book, all of you. Open page number 28. See children, this is your English class. Our new lesson name is Pig Could Fly. Pig could fly. One day, a pig called Yankee. Pig name is what children? Yankee. Was moving by a stream. He was about to eat a little snack from his picnic bag when a stone that was nearby yelled, "You, Yankee, what do you want to do?" Yankee stopped where he was. He could see the stone. "I want to fly," said Yankee, the pig, to the stone. Okay children, see here. I will tell afterwards what is the meaning. You want to fly? Well, that would be sweet, said the stone. Whoosh! Blew the wind. Yankee got wings. Thanks, said Yankee, and from then on Yankee the pig could fly. Here see children, one day one pig is there. This pig name is Yankee. It is moving by a stream. This is called stream. It is moving by a stream. When he was about to eat a little chocolate, where it is? Yes, it is present in his picnic bag. It is picnic bag. When a stone that was nearby yelled, "Who is near to the pig?" The stone. In that time, the stone asked to the pig, "What do you want to do?" What do you want? Asked the stone to the pig. Then Yankee stopped where he was. When he could see the stone and said the reply to the stone, "I want to fly." Then the stone said to the pig, "You want to fly? Well, that would be sweet. It is very sweet. You want to fly?" said the stone to the pig, that is Yankee. Next, the stone also said to the Yankee, "Just do like this only." Whoosh! Blew the wind. Then Yankee do like this only. He blew the wind. Then Yankee got wings. Yankee pig got wings. Then Yankee said to the stone, "Thanks." And then on Yankee the pig could fly. Yankee got wings. So, Yankee the pig could fly. Okay children, now take your activity book, all of you. Open page number 24. See children, in activity book page number 24, pig could fly. Let's have some fun. The poet wants to be an owl. Which animal would you like to be? In these pictures, which animal you have to like more? Okay, why would you like to be that animal? Write a sentence. See here children, in these pictures, identify what animal this one? Yes, giraffe. parrot, camel, cat and elephant. See children here. Write a sentence out to giving your reasons. The given example will help you to get started. Here see, they are giving one example. I want to be an owl. Then I can sleep the whole day when everyone is going to school and go around in the night without any disturbance when everyone is sleeping. Like this only, we also write a sentence, an example here. Okay children, for suppose we like more camel. Okay, we will write on camel some few sentences. Okay children, take your pencil everyone, Nana. Write down C-A-M-E-L, camel. Okay, write neatly children. Put heading camel and write down capital I, you little finger gap, W-A-N-T, want. Next give again little finger gap, to, B-E-B-A. Next camel, C-A-M-E-L, camel. I want to be a camel. Let's start writing children. Capital I. Give little finger gap. Write down C-A-N, can. I can travel. T-R-A-V-E-L, travel. L-O-N-G, long. G down letter. Distance, D-I-S-T-A-N-C-E, distance. Give little finger gap, without, W-I-T-H-O-U-T, without. Give little finger gap, food, F-O-O-D, food. Write down children A-N-D and water, W-A-T-E-R, water, full stop. First one this is. Next, second one. I can, capital I, you little finger gap, C-A-N, can, I can. Finger gap, carry, C-A-R-R-Y down letter, carry. You little finger gap, heavy loads, H-E-A-V-Y, heavy, L-O-A-D-S, loads, heavy loads, full stop. Next, third sentence. I am, capital I, little finger gap, A-M, yam. I am, C-A-L-L-E-D, called, as, S-H-I-P, ship, P down letter, O-F-O, T-H-E, the, D-E-S-C-R-T, desert, D-E-S-C-R-T, desert. Once again children, I want to be a camel. I can travel long distance without food and water. I can carry heavy loads. I am called as ship of the desert. Next page ma, match the picture to its word. Here match the picture to the correct word. See children, here what it is? Yes, they are wings. Draw a line from wings to the word W-I-N-G-S, wings. Next one, snack. What is this one children? Snack. Draw a line here to snack. Next, what is this one? Yes. See children, what it is? Yes, it is rock or stone. Big one is rock. This one is rock. Draw a line from this one to rock. R-O-C-K, rock. Next. See children, right side, what it is? Yes, it is clouds. So wind is coming. Wind. Draw a line from here to here. Next. What it is? Pig. Draw a line from here to P-I-G, pig word. Next. What it is children? Stream. Where it is? Stream spelling here. S-T-R-E-A-M, stream. Draw a line from here to here. Like this you have to match the picture to the word. Next one. Seema, look at these two pigs and spot at least 5 differences between them. Look at these two pictures children. There are any differences in two pigs? Yes. Here see, black color is there here to the legs. Here not there. Yes or no? So tick that one. Next. Here on his pig's mouth, lines are there. Here not there. So tick that one. So here color is there. Here color is not there. So tick. Next, here tail is there, here not there. So tick that one. Here some lines are there. Yes, here not there. So tick like this. Here see children, on his eyes, on his ears, spots are there. Here not there. So tick that one also. Okay. Next. These are the differences between the two pigs children. Okay. Learn the lesson pig could fly. What is the pig name? Anki. Next. Who made him? The rock. Okay children, learn this lesson again. Read once children. At least read once. Okay, we will meet again in next class ma. Thank you children. Take care. Bye.